Every successful project, regardless of its scale or complexity, relies on a robust framework to guide its execution. The choice of project management methodology is a foundational decision that profoundly impacts outcomes. Selecting the right approach can mean the difference between triumph and significant challenges. Today, two dominant methodologies stand out in the professional landscape: Waterfall and Agile. Each offers a distinct philosophy and set of practices for managing projects. Understanding their core principles is essential for any aspiring project manager or team member. This discussion will explore the intricacies of both Waterfall and Agile. We will delve into their characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about which methodology best suits a given project's unique demands. The Waterfall methodology represents a traditional sequential approach to project management. Its core principle is a linear progression where each phase must be completed and approved before the next one can begin. This method emphasizes thorough upfront planning and extensive documentation. The waterfall process is characterized by distinct sequential phases. These typically begin with comprehensive requirements gathering, where all project needs are meticulously documented. Following this, the detailed design phase outlines the project's architecture and components. Next comes implementation, where the actual work of building the product or service takes place. This is followed by a dedicated testing phase to identify and resolve any issues. Finally, the project moves into deployment, making the completed product available to users. The process flow dictates that there's no going back to a previous phase once it is completed. This strict adherence to sequence ensures a structured and predictable workflow. Each phase acts as a gate, requiring sign-off before proceeding. One of the primary advantages of Waterfall is its clarity. It provides clear milestones and deliverables, making it easy to track progress against a predefined plan. This structured approach also simplifies resource management and allocation. However, Waterfall's rigidity is also its main disadvantage. It becomes difficult and costly to implement changes once a phase is complete. Any significant alteration post-design can lead to extensive rework and budget overruns. This methodology is often unsuitable for projects with evolving requirements or uncertain outcomes. Its linear nature struggles to accommodate new information or shifts in direction. Changes are expensive and disruptive, often delaying the entire project. Waterfall is ideally suited for projects where the scope is well-defined from the outset. It thrives when requirements are stable and unlikely to change throughout the project lifecycle. Projects with predictable outcomes also benefit from this structured approach. Classic examples include construction projects, where blueprints are finalized before building begins. Manufacturing processes, with their standardized steps and clear specifications, also align well with the waterfall model. In contrast to Waterfall, the Agile methodology embraces flexibility and iterative development. Its core principle is to adapt to change rather than rigidly follow a plan. Agile emphasizes continuous improvement and rapid response to feedback. Key emphases within Agile include collaboration among team members and stakeholders. It prioritizes frequent customer feedback, integrating it throughout the development process. This continuous loop ensures the product evolves to meet user needs. Agile projects are structured into short, time-boxed cycles known as sprints. These sprints typically last between 2 to 4 weeks, providing a consistent rhythm for development. Each sprint aims to deliver a working product increment. At the end of every sprint, a tangible, functional piece of the project is completed. This iterative approach allows for frequent feedback from stakeholders and end users. It enables rapid adjustments based on new insights or changing market conditions. The benefits of this iterative approach are numerous. It facilitates adaptation to changing requirements, making projects more resilient. Teams learn from each iteration, continuously refining their processes and product. Several specific frameworks embody the Agile philosophy. Scrum is perhaps the most widely known, featuring roles like Scrum Master and Product Owner. and events like daily stand-ups. Kanban is another popular method, focusing on visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress. Agile places a strong emphasis on self-organizing teams. These teams are empowered to make decisions and manage their own work. Frequent communication, both within the team and with stakeholders, is paramount for success. The ultimate focus of Agile is on delivering value to the customer quickly and continuously. It prioritizes working software or products over extensive documentation. This ensures that the most important features are developed first. Agile is ideally suited for projects with evolving requirements and complex challenges. It thrives in environments where the final product vision may not be entirely clear at the start. Projects needing rapid iteration and quick market feedback also benefit greatly. Common examples include software development, where user needs can shift rapidly. Product design and innovation projects also leverage Agile ability to experiment and adapt. It is perfect for dynamic and uncertain environments. Deciding between Agile and Waterfall is not about one being inherently superior to the other. The best choice always depends on the specific project context and its unique needs. A careful evaluation of several factors is crucial for success. One primary factor to consider is the project scope. Is the scope well-defined and unlikely to change, or is it expected to evolve over time? Waterfall excels with fixed scopes, while Agile embraces fluidity. Requirement stability is another critical consideration. Are the project requirements clear, stable, and unlikely to shift? Or are they ambiguous, subject to change, and likely to emerge throughout the project? Stable requirements favor Waterfall. Evolving ones point to Agile. The level of customer involvement required also plays a significant role. Does the project benefit from continuous interaction and frequent feedback from the customer? Or is a single upfront requirements gathering sufficient? High customer involvement aligns with Agile. Finally, assess your team structure and experience. Does your team have prior experience with Agile practices and self-organization? Or are they more accustomed to a highly structured command and control environment? Team familiarity can influence adoption success. In conclusion, the most effective approach is the one that aligns perfectly with your project's specific needs and goals. Waterfall offers a clear path, structure, and predictability for projects with stable foundations. It provides a sense of control and a well-documented trail. Conversely, Agile provides unparalleled flexibility and adaptability for projects navigating uncertainty. It empowers teams to respond quickly to change and deliver value incrementally. Agile fosters innovation and continuous improvement. Ultimately, a careful evaluation of these factors will maximize the chances of project success. Understanding both methodologies allows you to select the framework that best supports your objectives. This informed decision-making is a hallmark of effective project leadership.